My name is Jargalsaikhan Dambadarjaa, but otherwise known de facto as I make a TV program called Defacto. Those who come from Mongolia to the US, we have deeper understanding how democracy and market economy works. And both of them are good for society because you cannot imagine one of them without each other. That theoretically sounds interesting, but when you see it, when it works in practice, the system respects human rights, individual opinion, and the most importantly, you are the owner of your life. It is up to you how to make it. That's the major understanding, I think, which I would say changes your set of mind. So it was completely different education system, I believe. And with that, your mindset is now changing. You are now a different person. You suddenly understand that all the responsibility is on you, on your shoulder. You learn to look at the things with bigger picture, not go into details from the beginning. So look bigger picture. That's, I think, MBA program gives you, and you always understand what is moving, what is the driver of that change. And without understanding that driver, you cannot impact on whole system. And everything, I was a CEO of Mongolian commercial bank, leasing company. I was a consultant. I do several NGO work along with my career works. But at the end, I was always thinking why we would not talk about the reasons of this or that problem with clear research of our data in other countries. Why would not we compare them? Why would not create a knowledge around which we have discussions? So somebody has to start, somebody has to be a part of it, and then many people come together and then we discuss. Then it will be not emotional discussions, it will be knowledgeable discussions, which can impact on the process, namely these political and economic processes we're going through now, up and down, up and down. Somebody has to study and to come with the comparison to knowledge, and we discuss. That's the principal mindset that I have. I mean, I am today. I ought to do that.